Welcome to Automotive Maintenance and Repair, a dynamic, interactive, and safe learning environment that enhances users' practical skills and knowledge in the field of automotive maintenance and repair. Here's how to use automotive maintenance and repair on zSpace. First, go to zCentral and use the launch code AP139 to launch the application. From the home screen, you can select either Comprehensive Training, which allows users to explore and practice different tasks with or without instructions, or Maintenance, which teaches different maintenance services and solutions depending on given fault symptoms. Within Comprehensive Training, choose between Exploration, Learning, or Practice modes. Let's go into Learning mode. We're going to select Changing Spark Plugs and click Confirm. Using the WASD keys on the keyboard, or selecting the icons on the bottom right, rotate the camera around the scene. Using the Q and E keys, or selecting their icons, you can also zoom in and out. Let's follow the instructions for the current step of this task, listed at the top of the scene. Press the center front button of the stylus, or left-click on the mouse, to select and interact with objects. Press the right button on the stylus or right-click to open your tool and part box. You can also access this by selecting the toolbox icon. Press the left button on the stylus or middle-click your mouse to zoom into certain areas. Holding down the center button on the stylus or holding down the left mouse button will remove parts. As you go through the instructions, the color will change as you complete each sub-step. Once you complete the activity, you have the option to export the task file as a PDF. If you don't fully complete the activity, click the Record button on the bottom left to save your progress. Let's go back to the home screen. Here you can find additional settings and help. Now let's do a maintenance activity. Within Maintenance, choose between Regular or Self-Maintenance. Regular maintenance allows users to perform different services depending on car mileage. In self-maintenance, you can perform various tasks to solve different faults and failures. We'll select self-maintenance. Choose a fault or failure to address from the menu. When the correct solution is selected, click Confirm to begin the task. Please note, for maintenance activities, there are no step-by-step instructions. And that's how to use automotive maintenance and repair on zSpace. For more information, including keyboard shortcuts, please visit zspace.com/edu.